Good morning, students. So today we are going to see the sixth problem now. We are going to continue. Yes, sixth problem of your question bank. That is question bank. If you read, it is Surekha and Sunita are the partners. Okay, balance sheet is given, adjustments are given. The new partner is Kavita is admitted. Yes, okay, and adjustments are given. First step is, students, they have asked to solve revaluation account. The question. Please keep your question bank in your hand. First step is revaluation account. Draw the account. Particulars amount rupees. Particulars amount rupees. Your debit, their credit. Yes? Okay. I have told you, students, to write the revaluation account, you should always see your adjustment number B. Second adjustment in ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So what they are telling? Depreciate furniture by 10%. So depreciation always will come in the debit side because it's a loss, it's an expense. You're writing it in the debit side. So to furniture, how much they are telling? 10%. So 10% andre 10 upon 100. Value of furniture ಏನಿದೆ students? Check the balance sheet. Balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,20,000 ಇದೆ. So 1,20,000. So use your calculator. When you do, you will get, yes, 12,000 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Depreciation I wrote in the debit side because it is loss, it is expense. Yes. Next, further what it says, students, it says, see, appreciate building by 22,000. Whenever the word buy idre, direct amount ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. I will repeat once again. Whenever the word buy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ direct amount ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. Buy 22,000 in the question ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So this amount directly you will write. There is no add, minus, into. They have told appreciation. Appreciation you will always write in the credit side. Very good. So buy building, appreciation amount is how much? Direct amount togoli. Yes, 22,000. Okay. Yes. Next, what they are telling, students? See, they are telling investments are revalued at 50,000. Investments are revalued at 50,000. Andre, you should just compare your investment. Old investment to the rate ಏನಿದೆ? Investment 40,000. Illide 40,000, but it has become how much they are telling? 50,000. So it was 40,000. Now it is 50,000. It is increase or decrease? Definitely increase agide. Value increase agide andre you will write it in the credit side. I will tell once again. Balance sheet ali it is 40,000. Here it is 50,000. So value has increased by 10,000, isn't it? So by investment you should write here 50,000 minus 40,000. Increase agide alla? Revalue aad nantra the value has increased. So you write in the credit side how much it has increased. You will minus it and write it here 10,000. Isn't it? Yes. Now students, what they are telling? Yes. Provide 2,000 for outstanding salary. Outstanding salary is your expense. You have to pay. Is outstanding andre ee salary ನೀವು employees ಗೆ pay ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಖರ್ಚು ನಿಮ್ದು. It's your expense. So to salary outstanding amount how much, students? Yes, 2,000. Okay. Yes. Now you're going to total it. How to total it? Yes, make the total. ಯಾವ side ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ? Yes, definitely credit side is more. 22,000 plus 10,000 is, yes, 32,000. You can use your calculator, students. So here also I'm writing 32,000. So this side is less. So 32,000 minus 2,000 minus 12,000 will give you, yes, 18,000. Isn't it? It is loss. I'm sorry, it is profit. I'm very sorry because credit side is more. Your income is more. So it is profit. Two profits transferred. Surekha, Sunita. Your ratio is not given in the question. So we are assuming it is 1:1. So 1:1 andre share ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 1/2. Here 1/2. Whenever ratio is not given, you should assume it is equal. So 18,000 into half ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 18,000 into 1/2 ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಧ. Correct ಅರ್ಧ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 9,000 here. 9,000 here. Okay. So revaluation account is done. Depreciation you write here. Expense you write here. Income increase appreciation you will write in the credit side. Okay. Revaluation account is done. Now we are going to do our, yes, partners capital account. Partners capital account, students. Very first step. 1 marks is there for the format only. So what is the format you're going to do? Yes, right. That is partners capital account. Okay. Particulars, write all the 3 partners. Surekha, Sunita, Kavita, new partner. Particulars, Surekha, Sunita, Kavita. Please write rupees. Very, very important. Debit, credit. First step, always in partners capital account, what I have told you always? Yes, you need to see your E capital. Balance brought down. 1,20,000, 80,000. All problems again, same step. So, by balance brought down. Amount any dear students? Yes, 1,20,000 here for Surekha. Sunita it is 80,000. Okay, Sunita, Kavita no, she is a new partner. Now, next step is what? Revaluation account. From your revaluation account, profit eshtaagittu, just now you have solved, no? Yes, just now see what you have done. I don't know where the paper is. This amount is there, no? E amount 9,000, revaluation account in the. It is there in the debit side. Debit side alla, so you're going to write in the, very good. You will write in the, yes, credit side here. Idu credit side. By revaluation account. Amount eshtidodu? Yes, that is 9,000 and 9,000 for Sunita. Kavita no. Now next what step? Third step is what, students? You see the balance sheet alli. General reserve ideya? Yes, general reserve 50,000. So give this. It is in the debit side here. So you'll write in the credit side. By general reserve. Amount any the students? Yes, 50,000 ante. In what ratio we will give? 1:1. 1:1 andre arda, half. 50,000 to half no? Yes, 25,000 each. 25,000 for Sunita. Next, is there P&L account? Profit and loss account ideya? Illa. Profit and loss account illa. So no. Fourth step is what? The new partner's amount. What she brings? She brings 60,000 as capital. We'll write cash or bank. Here it is given cash at bank. You see here it is given bank. So you'll write by bank. Who brings? Kavita brings. Amount is how much? This students. Amount is how much? 60,000 ತಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾಳಲ್ಲ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟಿಗೆ you have to credit. See 60,000 she brings. Okay. Yes. Now next is goodwill. See what they are telling? 20,000 towards goodwill, 1/4 of our share. But there is one more sentence here. It is very different from the other problem. See, I have underlined this. You people also please underline it and write very important. This will be asked for final exam. Intade keltare. What it is told, see? Goodwill is to be withdrawn by old partners. Please underline it. Goodwill is to be withdrawn by old partners. Just normal goodwill entry kodi first. By goodwill account. Amount in the goodwill is to 20,000. 20,000 1:1 ratio alli kodi. 1:1 andre arda. So it is 10,000. Here it is 10,000. Okay. What did I do? Goodwill amount 20,000 ige normal entry I gave. Like previous problem we have done, no? That is goodwill account debtor to partners capital account. Journal entry. You will read like this only, no? First year you have studied. Goodwill account debtor to partners capital account. So by goodwill account e 20,000 ide alla 1:1 half kodi. ಈಗ goodwill withdrawn ಆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ನಾವು ಕವಿತಾ 10,000 she is giving it to Surekha and Sunita. Withdrawn ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ Surekha and Sunita are taking the amount and going home. Withdraw ಮಾಡುದು. Now I am going to bank and withdrawing my money ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? I am going and taking the money and coming home. Yes, withdrawing. I will go to Oriental bank, withdraw my 10,000, I will bring home. So I have withdrawn. So ಈಗ Surekha and Sunita are withdrawing the goodwill amount. They are taking the amount and going home. So how much they are taking the amount? Goodwill amount ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Same 10,000. So here to bank 10,000 and 10,000. ಈ ಒಂದು extra entry ಬರ್ತದೆ students. I will repeat this, very very important it is. I will just tell it once again. Whenever they give the sentence, goodwill is to be withdrawn by old partners ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ goodwill amount what the new partner is giving alla Kavita, the old partners are taking and going home. I'll repeat once again. Goodwill amount to be withdrawn by old partners andre Kavita ಈ new partner old partners ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳಲ್ಲ goodwill amount ಆ old partners ಮನೆಗೆ ತಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. They are taking and going home. They are withdrawing the amount from the bank. Yes. So by goodwill account normal equal kodi. So this same amount this old partners are withdrawing from the bank to bank account 10,000. So the journal entry is read as, sometimes 2 marks question keltare, pass the journal entry. I will tell that. I will cover it later when we finish all the problems. So partners capital account debtor to bank account, goodwill account debtor to partners capital account. That is the journal entry. That's it. This much is your partners capital account. Now what you will do? Now you do the total. Total andre each side is more, no? Definitely. See here only one amount is there. There are so many. So add this. E amount full total madi. Total madidre you will get 1,64,000. Same thing right here. 1,64,000. Yes. Okay. Then add this all. You will get 1,24,000. Same thing right here. 1,24,000. Here add madidre only 60,000. So write it here. 60,000. Yes. Now 1,64,000. This side is less. No. 1,64,000 minus 10,000 will give you, yes, 1,54,000. 1,24,000 minus 10,000 will give you 1,14,000. 60,000 minus ಏನilla 0. So that will give you 60,000 itself. Yes, dear students, same amount here you will write it as by balance brought down. I forgot to write. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1,54,000, then 1,14,000, then 60,000. Yes, this was the problem. Only goodwill withdrawn ಅಂತ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. That is partners capital account debtor to bank account. Extra entry to bank account in that means the old partners are taking the money and going home. Okay, thank you.